Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7p versus the Huawei P30 Lite. And the Huawei P30 Lite comes with the Huawei Kirin 710 CPU with a 4 GB of RAM, while the Huawei Y7p comes with the Huawei Kirin 710F CPU with a 4 GB of RAM, and both phones comes with a triple cameras on the back. As you can see, we have a normal, ultra wide, and lastly we have a depth sensor on both phones, a blue color, and also this is a aurora blue color, and you can see this aurora blue color is much more beautiful. So let's see how much a difference between the Huawei Y7p and the Huawei P30 Lite in head-to-head speed test battle, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. So let's get right into it. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And look, okay, my first little bit faster on the Y7p. And both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. We have a Google Play services on the Huawei P30 Lite versus a Huawei mobile services on the Y7p. We don't have any Google apps right out the box on the Y7p, and you can see Huawei Y7p is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Huawei P30 Lite, and you can see not a huge difference. And guys, you can see that both phones comes with a beautiful display. We have a 720p IPS LCD display, but it is a really good display, while the full HD IPS LCD display on the Huawei P30 Lite. And guys, also we have a punch hole display on the Huawei Y7p versus a water drop notch on the Huawei P30 Lite. Like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Let's open up the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And you can see that seems like a little bit faster on the Huawei Y7p followed by the Huawei P30 Lite. Let's see the settings. And again about the same on both phones, very small difference there. And let's see the my files, boom, and again about the same on both phones. Mic lock, and that seems like a little bit faster on the Huawei P30 Lite followed by the Y7p. Let's opening up the calendar, and again a little bit faster on the Huawei P30 Lite followed by the Y7p. So let's open up some more apps. We have Instagram, and that is faster on the Huawei Y7p followed by the Huawei P30 Lite. So let's launch some games application, and let's see how much the difference between a Huawei Kirin 710F versus a 710 normal. Opening up the Candy Crush Saga. And you can see that is faster on the new Huawei Y7p with a 710F chipset, while the 710 Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. So next on the list is the Subway Surfer, and that is faster on the old Huawei P30 Lite with a 710 chipset, while the new 710F is right behind there. So last game application we have is the Temper Run 2, boom. And seems like about the same on both phones. And that is little bit faster on the Y7p. So let's see the Edge. And again about the same on both phones. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. And that is little bit faster on the Y7p followed by the Huawei P30 Lite. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Huawei internet browser versus a Google Chrome on the Huawei P30 Lite. We don't have any Huawei internet browser on the Huawei P30 Lite right out the box. So first website I'm gonna launching is the wikipedia.org, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see Huawei P30 Lite is faster there little bit followed by the Huawei Y7p. So let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. And guys, you can see that the display quality it is much better on the Huawei P30 Lite according to this viewing angle, and you can see. So next website on the list is the gsmarina.com. P30 Lite is just a tiny bit faster there followed by the Huawei Y7p. So let's see the scrolling, And you can see in the start I noticed huge lag on the P30 Lite, but now it is really smooth on both phones. Let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. In my last speed test video, Y7p is performed really bad in the RAM measurement. So let's see the phone dialer that got refresh only on the P30 Lite, the settings that got refresh on both phones, see my files. Now let's see my clock. Again refresh on both phones. Seems like Y7p is not performed good in the RAM measurement, same performance as that we see in my last speed test video. Let's see the calendar. Instagram, that is only refresh on the P30 Lite. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga that got refresh on both phones. Both phones comes with the 4GB of RAM. We have a 128GB internal storage on the Huawei P30 Lite versus a 64GB of internal storage on the Y7p. Let's see the Subway Surfer, and again the Temper Run 2, refresh again Zedge. And last we are back to the internal browser, and you can see that it's only refresh on the Y7p but not on the Huawei P30 Lite. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is a little bit faster on the new Huawei Y7p, and the Huawei P30 Lite is right behind to the Huawei Y7p. RAM measurement is absolutely bad on both phones. Very bad RAM measurement performance on both phones. Thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7p and the Huawei P30 Lite. Let me know what you guys think about this new Huawei Y7p in the Aurora blue color. Looks very beautiful, and you can see. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.